Who are you?
I'm Eucalyptus. I have been around for a while in India. I was brought here from Australia.
I am Subabul. I have also been in India for some time. I come from Mexico and North and Central America.
I'm happy to admit that both Sulbabul and I quite settle in India.
How can you be of help to us?
I, Eucalyptus, am an extremely beneficial tree with the capacity to grow in a region with low rainfall. I'm Eucalyptus clone. I have been created after years of research by scientists, and I produce 2 to 3 times more wood than eucalyptus seedlings. I grow very fast and will yield 3 harvests within 15 years.
I, Subabul, grow very fast. I grew out of superior genetic quality seed, and my chances of survival in the soil is as high as 85%. I am ready to be reaped in 3 years, which you will agree is a good deal for the farmers. And I am good for the soil too, as I add nitrogen in soil. We increase the nutritive value of soil substantially, and I enhance its quality by preventing soil erosion. Crop rotation becomes easier with me, and you know what? The quality of soil keeps on improving.
But we have heard some contrary stories about both of you.
Yes, we are aware of that. There are a lot of misconceptions about us. It is believed that because of me, Eucalyptus, the groundwater level goes down. But this is not true. My roots go no further than 6 to 7 feet in 7 years, and I am harvested before that. I am a clone. I do not have long tap roots. Also, we need to remember that groundwater in India is usually 100 to 200 feet below the surface. Some also says that I make the soil barren. And here I am, standing between annual crops. This is another baseless allegation. Actually, my bark and leaves enhance the nutritive value of soil. It is also said that I am of no use to the birds, but see, my winged friends have made their homes on me. What do you say, Sulbabur?
Yes, that is absolutely right. As for me, Subabul, it is said that I spread like a weed, but the truth is that when planted with proper spacing, I am like other crops. In plantation, my seeds germinate, but I do not allow them to grow, and they combine with the soil to increase its fertility. While it is true that animal loves to graze on me because my leaves are their food, but they can also trample my young plants and kill me in the process. All that is required is fencing me for the first year so that I can grow tall. Then my leaves can be eaten by my animal friends. Also, my tree do not need debarking at the time of selling to paper mill, which results in higher yield. You will agree.
We do sincerely hope that now you are able to differentiate between the myths that exist both of us and the reality.
So go on.
Friends, plant us in your field
with your other crops
and earn additional income from the wood produced by us.
Yes. Now this makes sense to me. Both eucalyptus and Subabul trees are good commercial trees, particularly for our low rainfall areas.
They also generate early revenue as they can be harvested in 3 to 5 years.
And they copies well. So, one plant gives wood 2 to 3 times.
This sounds like the formula for
Low investment, high returns.